Hello, good morning. My name is Alex. Welcome to my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with an all levels, no props required flow. If you're new, extra welcome. Consider joining me for pretty much daily yoga flows. This no props required class is going to begin in a child's pose. Big toes together, knees apart. And on an exhale, walk the hands forward. On another exhale, bring the forehead down. Bring awareness to the breath, the present moment. Arrive. Press up to a tabletop for one round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Extend the right leg back. Keep the toes down. And we're going to press back and forth, opening through the calf, the foot. A nice time to check in with the weight distribution between and within the hands. From here, lift the right leg back and up. Keep the hips square to the mat, knee facing down. Draw in the core. Bend the right knee and draw some circles to the right, down, back, and around with the lifted leg. And set the right leg back down. We're in tabletop for cat-cow. Inhale. Exhale. Neutral. Left leg back. Keep the toe down, toes down. As you stretch the calf, the foot, really articulate through the foot. And then we'll lift the left leg, knee facing down. Engage the core, unsink out of the shoulders. Bend the right knee, create a left knee. Right knee is bent. Create a right angle with both knees. Out, down, and around. Back to tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale. Exhale. Neutral. Bring the right foot between the hands. You can use the hand to scoop the heel forward. Kneeling lunge. Let's actually lift up the upper body, hands to hips for balance. Make sure you keep a right angle with the front knee. Back foot is flat, arms reach overhead, shoulder width, palms face each other, press down. Bring your hands down to frame the right foot, half split. So you can sit all the way back if you want to, or stay standing on the left knee. That's what I'm going to do. Use props to make the arms longer. Sole of the right foot is off of the mat. And release. Shift your weight back to a kneeling lunge. Keep the left hand down, right hand on top of the right leg. Kneeling lunge twist. Rotate the middle and upper back. Release. Come back to a tabletop. One cat cow to reset. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Left side. Bring the left foot between the hands. Press through both legs. Press down through the front foot, hands to hips to lift the upper body up, arms overhead. Draw in the core. Think long through the side body. Side bodies, both of them. Half split. Float the hands down and lengthen. Oh, high hamstrings. Lengthen the back of the left leg. Kneeling lunge twist. Shift the weight forward, right hand down, left hand on top of the left leg to assist in your rotation. And release, come back to a tabletop. And we're transitioning to a seated position facing the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. And release, switch sides. Right arm up and over. A bird just flew by. I don't know if it caught it. I sprinkled bird seed around because there were a bunch of little finches earlier. But they left. Bring the left foot in. Let's sit up tall. Upper back around. And float them down as you twist to the right. Release through center, arms up. And twist to the left. Closing breath, inhale, arms reach wide, lift overhead. Exhale, lower the hands down. Close the eyes for a moment. Remember to take time each and every day to be grateful for your presence. I am so grateful for your presence. Let's anticipate letting the light back in as we blink the eyes open. That was amazing and brief, but we made it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this slightly shorter flow. There's a squirrel running around. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning, good day. If you enjoyed this video, I would love to know why. Let's see, I don't have any good questions for today. How about, do you sleep to sleep sounds? Like the rainstorm sounds and stuff that I've been playing, that I've been encouraging because it really helps me sleep better. And Thanks for the feedback on where you guys are from. We're from all over the world, so just think we're all joining together and bringing peace to the world by bringing peace to our minds. All right, I'm waking up. Time for me to have a smoothie. I will see you guys soon. Add me on Instagram, BluYoga.fit. And namaste.